Hey Roblox fans! Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling something super useful. How to redeem a gift card on Roblox in 2025. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned player, this step-by-step guide will get you up and running in no time, so you can dive into your favorite games with fresh Robux. Let's jump right in. First off, make sure you have your Roblox account ready. Open the Roblox website or app on your device. It's available on PC, mobile, or console. Log in with your username and password. If you don't have an account yet, sign up quickly. It's free and takes just a minute. Once you're logged in, head to the gift card redemption section. In 2025, Roblox has streamlined this process, so look for the Redeem option in your account settings. You can find it by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner and selecting Redeem Gift Card from the menu. It's designed to be user-friendly, so navigation should be a breeze. Now, grab your gift card, whether it's physical or digital, and locate the code. Carefully enter the code into the redemption box on the screen. Double-check for any typos, as codes are case-sensitive and must be exact. Roblox might show a preview of what you're entering to help avoid mistakes. Hit the Redeem button and wait for the confirmation. You'll see a pop-up message saying your code has been successfully redeemed, and your Robux balance should update right away. If everything goes smoothly, you're good to go. But what if you hit a snag? Common issues include expired codes or network problems. If that happens, ensure your internet connection is stable, and try entering the code again. If it still doesn't work, check the Roblox support page for help. They've got great resources in 2025. And there you have it. You've just redeemed your gift card and boosted your Robux. Now, go explore new games, buy cool items, and have a blast. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more Roblox tips, and hit the bell icon for notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay awesome.